Dr. Nandita Mohan and welcome to Medical Dialogues, your daily dose of health and medical news. Let's look into the latest reports for today. A rare case of cerebral infarction in congenital adrenal hyperplasia has been reported. Congenital adrenal hyperplasia is an autosomal recessive inherited disorder of steroid synthesis pathway and remains the commonest cause of primary adrenal insufficiency in the pediatric age group. It is induced in the newborn metabolic screening panel and is mostly diagnosed in the early neonatal period. Cerebral infarction, on the other hand, in itself is a rare condition in children, and its coexistence with congenital adrenal hyperplasia is even more rare. Calcutta Medical Research Institute reported a rare case of extensive cerebral infarction in a child with diagnosed congenital adrenal hyperplasia. A 5-year-old boy presented with acute onset fever, altered sensorium, and a new onset refractory generalized tonic-clonic seizures. His past history was notable for CAH, diagnosed on day 10 of his life, and he presented with sufficient weight loss and shock with supportive investigations of 21-hydroxylase deficiency. He was put on a regular maintenance dose of glucocorticoids and mineralocorticoid supplementation since then. Routine blood tests were suggestive of anemia. Initial CT scan of the brain revealed multiple acute hematomas in the right cerebral hemisphere, along with sulcal bleed and extensive infarction in the right cerebral hemisphere as well as the left frontal region. An MRI of the brain performed on day 7 revealed large subacute infarcts along with multiple hematomas in right cerebral hemisphere. Previous literature suggests that congenital adrenal hyperplasia in itself or its treatment with glucocorticoids or mineralocorticoids are an inadequate treatment under stressful conditions may be the cause of cerebral infarction. The authors therefore concluded that inadequate dose escalation along with the possible cerebral effect of CAH itself might be responsible for the cause of cerebral infarction in this particular child, which had led to the acute neurological emergency. That's all for today. I shall see you tomorrow.
Never miss a medical update from Medical Dialogues. Like, subscribe, and press the bell icon.